Hi, welcome to my first vlog, Pett Pujaa and more. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my followers who've given me tremendous support with Pett Pujaa. And this is my new venture, giving out my recipes through my videos. And it's not just going to be the recipes, it's going to be a lot more. Maybe if you have any questions about New Zealand, anything that you would like to know, how to do, when to do, what to do, or if you want to just know any tips and tricks, easy ones in the kitchen. Easy recipes I will be giving out for students and immigrants, and if you would like to know what to buy, from where to buy, and just anything that you would like to know about New Zealand. It's not just going to be indoor about kitchen, it's going to be a lot more good places to see in New Zealand. So basically it's about me and my life in New Zealand. And I would also like to take this opportunity to introduce you to my new little born daughter, Purnasha. Here she is, my baby Purnasha. It's gonna be all for her. Everything that I do, she just slept and got up, so a little bit cranky. And so I have a new kitchen hand with me now. So yeah, so keep watching the space for more. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to follow me for more tips and tricks, as I said, about New Zealand, anything that you'd like to know, subscribe to my channel, Pett Pujaa and more. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support.